Alrighty now guys, we got an awesome product here that Carter and I are going to show you. This thing is super sweet. What do you think? What does it do? What is the highlight of this car? It goes in water. Goes in water. Check that out. He's going to show you the box. What we're going to do is you have a couple AA batteries you need to throw in the remote control.
And
that is your remote control.
And guess what?
What's up, dude?
There's different colors of it.
Different colors. I knew you'd come alive in this. You do get a specific battery for it that you're going to be plugging into the bottom. And what is this thing? Is it waterproof?
Yeah.
It's waterproof. You can do water. So you have to use one specific battery.
And it goes on land too.
It goes on land, goes on water, and it does it all. So we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy plugged in without any issues. Nice and easy connection on the bottom. And you want to go ahead and pop it in here. Okay? As you pop it into this, what you're going to notice is, since it is waterproof, you have a very nice case that goes over it. Very important that you pay attention to that. And we're going to go ahead and get this wrapped up in here. There's only a couple ways to put it in the bottom of it so it sits flat. Yes, sir. What you got?
And please, after you're done fixing the car,
Yep.
Can I show them how to dye it?
Dude, we're about to show them. So another cool thing about this, if you didn't know it, you get two batteries for it. So you get one that you can be charging. It does have a very specific charger to it, so do not lose that when it comes to the battery. And then, because this is waterproof, you have one on-off button. Let's give it a press. Nice big press. It's going to be blinking. Can I have the remote, big guy?
I already.
Uh-oh. What do we got?
It didn't turn on.
That's okay. It didn't turn on because we turned it off. So we're going to flip it to the on switch. And
it goes the other way.
All right, we're going to flip it to the on switch just like so. Oh my goodness. So pretty simple process, easy turning. Look at how cool that is, right? And that is because the wheels have very good flexion up and down, but they don't turn actually like a normal car. So when you are looking at it, don't press the button. You have flexion with it. So if you notice, there's no turn right and left, but you have back and front reflection with it, which is super sweet. Hey, why don't you grab your board over there? We'll show them how it works. This is gonna be cool, guys. Yes, sir, bring it on over. We'll have tons of fun with this.
Oh, guess what? I think I know how to do this.
You know what you're gonna do, huh? So, you can see it in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now give her some gas, dude. Oh. Ha! So this thing is gonna be a ton of fun. Let's see if we can jump it out of here. Let's give it a push and push it. Push. Hey, just like that. Tons of fun with it. We're gonna try it a ton of times. This thing is indestructible and it's waterproof. So you know what we gotta say, bub?
Check it out.
Check it out.